y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna give you guys a little tutorial, whatever. I'm starting to switch up my content. As you guys can see, I'm giving you guys different flavors, you know what I'm saying, different things. So as you guys can tell by the title, I'm gonna give a mini tutorial for the girls or whatever, you know. I'm finna start getting into my makeup bag or whatever. So I got a plenty of stuff. So I'm finna start, you know what I'm saying, with my journey with you guys and take you guys with me. So you can say all the steps and stuff, all the trial, all the errors and stuff like that. So today, I'm going to be focusing on showing you guys how I do my lash clusters. I don't really do individual lashes. I only did individual lashes like one time, you guys. Literally one time. Literally, and I was just like, you know what, this is not for me, you know. And it was irritating, my eyes was irritated. I just wanted it to be over with, because from day one it felt like something was in my eyes. I used to do strips all the time. Strip. I'm a strip girly. I got so many strips. I had, like, you know what I'm saying, so many strips you can get for affordable prices, especially the Amazon strips. Them Amazon strips, I found me some good ones, girl. Some good ones, and they was tea. And you know, because I have big eyes and I like my lashes to come all the way over or whatever, because you know sometimes they be leaving space in the corner or space on the end. But with these lash clusters that I discovered on the TikTok shop, you get what I'm saying, it makes it much easier, and I can pull them off anytime I want, and it don't really like give that effect of having like a lash strip on. So yeah, so this is gonna be basically like a detailed tutorial on how I basically do it. Everything will be in the description box below. All you guys can do is like tap my, you know, TikTok showcase and stuff like that right there, so you guys can see volume lashes, y'all. These are the most fluffiest lashes I have ever had, and I got them over there on TT or whatever, and it goes up to what, 25 mm, and I love a volume lash. I love the dramatic look. Despite what others think, people be like, oh, you about to fly away. I don't care. I have big eyes. I don't want no little ass lashes. Like, they be looking weird. So I'm going to basically get myself ready for that. And yeah, so basically all you need is your little lash clusters. You can get them on Amazon. You can get them really anywhere except for the beauty supply store. I have not seen no clusters at the beauty supply store. If they are there, excuse the fuck out of me. I didn't know. News to me. What the fuck? But yeah, so got my little lash clusters, and you gotta have you a good little bond and seal. So I love this bond that is actually like white. I love the white bond because the black bond don't really do it for me. I don't know why, and I just don't like it. Although sometimes it leaves like a little, you know what I'm saying, white you know, feel or whatever. It might look like crust a little bit, but you know, it's lash glue. But when you do it with the black, it's like more noticeable, and it's hard to come off anyway as it is. So you'd rather it dry clearer than dry black. So that's why I like, you know what I'm saying, the white lash glue. And I have me some tweezers or applicators or whatever. I love the ones that are like kind of wide, because it gives me like more control, and it gives me like, you know, enough room to clamp them down to my, you know, real lashes. So yeah, that's all you really need. 3 things literally. And 9 times out of 10, every time you get a lash cluster kit, it's supposed to come with all of this. If it doesn't, okay, cool. You still can buy it separately, or get one that comes with it, okay? Cool. First, you guys, I'm going to literally start by putting some of the glue. I like to put like a thin layer of glue on my natural lashes and let that dry and let that sit for a second. So as you guys can see, I hold my eyelid up a little bit, and then I literally like put a little bit of glue, not too much, because I will be putting glue on the lash cluster itself to make sure it stays intact. So we're gonna let that dry, and we're gonna come back. So now that the glue has dried a little bit, you don't want it to dry too much. You're literally gonna I take the longest one first, which is gonna be the 25 mm. Before I get it on my eye, I look at it. Before I even put the glue on there, I make sure all the hairs are kind of going the same way. If it's like any stragglers, I just pull them off with this little tool or whatever, to make sure, you know, no stragglers get into my eye, because I would hate for a piece of lash to get in my eye. So I literally hold it like this with the tool. I hold it like towards the middle, more towards, so it could form and shape to how I want it. And literally I take the same lash glue and I literally put just a little bit on there, literally. And you see how some of the lash glue got on the lash? It's okay, I'm just gonna pull it off or whatever. So now that I have that little bit of lash glue on there, let me show you guys. Have that little bit of lash glue on there. I'm gonna blow it a little bit, but I'm not gonna let it get too dry because I don't want it to be like non-sticky. And I'm literally going to just put it under in the corner. Under and in the corner. As you guys can see, it's kind of like bending down a little bit, but that's okay. So all you want to do is make sure it's sticking on its own and it's not like falling off. And then once you do that, you're going to clamp it, literally clamp all of it. The glue is so sticky, it might come off a little bit, but that's okay. You can always fix it, put it back into position, pull it off, put it back on, do whatever you want to do with it. That's why I love these little clusters, because they're like easy to manipulate. And yeah, so literally that's all I do. It might look like it's literally on the edge, but it's not. So I literally try to do the same thing now that I do on this side simultaneously, because it just works out better that way. I find that it looks better at the end of the results, because every time I do my lash clusters, each side looks different. Every time. I don't know what about it. I don't know what it is. I don't know what I be doing, but every time it looks literally different. And I don't know what I'm doing, but I try to make them look like twins, but they be looking like sisters, okay? But it is what it is. So I try to go in and do the same thing for this side. Literally same thing. Put it under the eye. If it don't stick right away, that is okay. All you have to do is put a little more glue on there, or put a little more pressure on there, and then it'll stick. Or you can use your other hand to get it on there, and then boom. Once it's on there, ooh, child. You see how this doing me? You see how this doing me and trying to embarrass me on camera? See, what it is I'm trying to record for 2 platforms, and that's why I can't really see. I can't really do her Donna real quick. But hold on. I'm gonna give you guys another angle as well, like underneath the eyelid, so you guys can get a close-up of how it's supposed to look. Oh, it's not sticking because the glue is not dry. So you want to make sure the glue is always dry. And why every time I record on this fucking camera, it starts to die? Every time. Every time. Never fails. So you want to make sure it's dry so it won't keep coming off like this. It's all it takes is patience. You can't really rush this process because you want them to look right, or they're going to end up looking stupid. So literally, boom. You see how that's on there like that? Boom. See how that one's on there and that one's on there? You see how they already looking different to me? So yeah, so now that I got the wings out the way, all I literally do is go in and do the same thing for the rest of the eye. So as you guys can see from this angle or whatever, how it's supposed to look. So I'm gonna do one more on this side for you guys. So literally, you guys see the hair or whatever. So I literally like to take all the string of hairs off the side so I can make sure it's not going to irritate me in the long run. Make sure everything is right. Make sure all the hairs are going towards the same place. Literally try to clamp it with my clips like that, like so. Get the little lash glue and literally put like a little bit on there. Just a little bit. Just a little bit so it could dry. Literally reposition again. And there we have it. We're just gonna blow it just a little bit to make sure it dries, okay? So now, we're just gonna literally put it under the eyelid. Like that. And then boom, we're going to clamp it so it can stay. So now that I gave you guys a detailed tutorial, I'm going to go in and do both eyes, and then I'm going to come back at the end and show you guys how it looks. And y'all, I love them. So if you guys, you know what I'm saying, found this tutorial helpful, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Yes. So now that I got them all on, I go in with my seal and literally lightly go across the little eye line at the bottom to make sure it's sealed. And then we'll be all done. So I wish, you know what I need to get? I need to get one of those fans for your eyebrows and stuff. I mean, not for your eyebrows, but for your lashes and stuff, so I can, like, you know what I'm saying, make sure they're all the way dry. So you want to make sure they're dry before you just go batting your eyes and stuff like that right there. And make sure they dry. Oh, it's wet a little bit. Hold on. Make sure they dry. Boom, 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 boom. Make sure they dry. I'm gonna put them under the fan in a minute. My big fan. I'm gonna put them on my big fan in a minute. But yeah, so that's literally it, y'all. Literally. So this is how they looking. I literally just did one layer because I didn't want them too thick. They're already like wispy as hell. You know what I'm saying? And you know, some of them look retarded. I tried my best. I had to really start over on one side for real because I was just like, hold on, ho. Hold on, ho. But yeah, y'all, so this is the finished look, the wispy look with these lashes. I love this brand. It's a small business. I love supporting small businesses. I think it's called Majestic Volume Lashes on the TT shop or whatever. I will be having it down below in my showcase with her, you know what I'm saying, mega volume lash. She's the only one literally that I have seen on there that have these mega volume lashes like this thick, 25 mm, literally for the girls. I really do. But if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, whatever, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. More videos coming soon, more story times, more bangles dropping back to back. The fuck? Toodles, ho.